Presiden ka National People Party upa WR khar lukhi menta ka sngi ulapan penai ki kerteng jong ki arngut ki kertong ki banya khun ya ka election shiteng samoy na maureng kneng constituency bat na Raja Bala constituency katba yo kertong banya khun ya ka election shiteng samoy na mauplang constituency ka parti kandang wat yo kertong habaya kren bat kilat pathai khubor nakaliang uba WR khar lukhi ulaya thu banaka Raja Bala constituency ukertong ke NPP ubanya khun ya ka election shiteng samoy on day u Abdul Saleh bat na moreng keneng constituency on ya khun uba penyai Sings Im ubadeiru u chairman jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ulo ongru banakaliang ka parti ka doni ka jingshania scam bakan sayo ra ya ka jingjob na baro kite ki lightly ki constituency komban shupen kan mau ka maureng keneng constituency kala sa thlino hadin ka jingklat no jong MLA ka than uba David Nongrum ha ka artarik ujemang arajar arpuwei ka Raja Bala kala sa thli hadin ka jingklat no u Dr. Azad Zaman ha ka sautarik ulber bat na mauplang constituency ka belami khmat do ba sentar kelas sun kala sa thli hadin ka jingklat jong u ha ka shipho tarik unailur
Abdul Saleh, and for Maureng Keneng is Penyai.
And for Moplang?
Moplang we still keep it pending for a few days.
Do you have candidates for Moplang? Has anybody approached?
We haven't. We just wait. Have some patience.
Well, then you all are keen to contest in all the three, right?
Yes, yes.
Or will you be contesting?
We will contest on all the three.
On all the three.
On all three seats.
And how confident are you about winning this seat?
Every fight I'm always confident of winning.
Do you see now that the Congress has a new,
The more your opponent is strong, the more the fight is interesting. So we like the opponent to be strong.
Sir, today the date of
We will see. 30th is the voting day, and second is the result. So let's see whether he is right or wrong. It's easy to pinpoint on government, and I think in the last session, CM has really given him a befitting reply. So let's see.